Da-da-da-da.
To you.
Da-da.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Madman Pondo. Happy birthday, F you. You know, Madman Pondo, it's a mad, mad world out there. When people like us, collectively known as the Switchblade Conspiracy, coming to IW East Coast, it's going to be even a madder world. Because this guy right here is going to go one-on-one with the Necro Butcher.
20 years, Madman Pondo. You've been living in this mad world, and you've done everything there is to do. Barbed wire, flaming branding irons, thumbtacks, steel chairs, light tubes. Necro Butcher, you're in the same league. You guys are legends, icons of hardcore wrestling. But the Switchblades, we just don't care. You just don't scare us. We just don't give a damn about your legacy in this business. We're going to eat you alive.
And Pondo, when the new horror goes one-on-one with you in your happy little birthday match, it doesn't matter what's going to happen, because I'm not afraid of you, and Moxley's not afraid of the Necro Butcher. You know why? Because we cuddle with people like the Necro Butcher. We tea and crumpets at your birthday party with you, Pondo. You've been in horror movies, but you know what? It's going to be a horror movie when I bite the lips right off your face, Pondo, and you can't even eat your birthday cake. So on June 24th, at Pondo's big-ass birthday bash, oh, it's going to be a horror movie starring the Switchblade Conspiracy.